Pixel, and today I'm going to be making a Copycat Shoneys strawberry pie recipe. For that I'm going to need one pie crust frozen, already cooked. Mine took 15 minutes to cook at 400. A cup of white sugar, 2.5 cups of strawberries, 3 ounces of strawberry jello, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a cup of water. This should be fun, so let's go. Alright, first step will be into a saucepan. We're bringing the water up to a boil. We're adding in the jello, the cornstarch, and the sugar. And of course this is going to be thoroughly mixed together until you see no more lumps in it. After a good 10 minutes or so, that is perfectly textured to go into our pie. And we've poured that mixture into our strawberry pie, which is going to go into the refrigerator for the next 3 hours. Alrighty, our pie sat overnight. It only took 3 hours, but I didn't want to eat it really late, so it sat overnight, and it's nice and firm, but still, you know, edible. So let's try it on. It was exactly how I remember Shoneys tasting. And it was really simple to make. I like the combination of jello, but still fresh fruit in it. And I wondered if a graham cracker crust would be just as good, but no, the pie crust is good on this. So if you like what you saw, don't like what you saw, have a protest, have something you think I could have done better, leave me a comment. Leave me a like. I will see you in our next one.